It's my doggie's last BarkBox, I think, and she loves them. Let's see what's in here. Maw and Paws Farm, very fall-like, perfect. It is mid-September now. And always love all the information that's shared in here, but let's see the goodies. I swear she knows when I open these too. Emmy. So it says, you and your pup are taking a play ride to Maw and Paws Farm. Your dog will be happier than a pug in slop, smacking on Maw's homemade whittles, playing with the livestock, and wondering what breed of dog the horses are. It goes on. But here is what Emmy got. So this is a squeaker. It has crinkle, and it's a multi-part toy because there's something in here. So I look forward to giving this to Emmy, see if she can find the squeaker inside the crinkle bag. And it's meant to be a chunky chickie feed bag. Super cute. It is meant for 50-pound dogs that are 50 pounds or heavier. And my doggo is officially close to 100. Next we have Cheesy Peasy soft bakes. I'm sure she'll love those. We have a lot of snacks, so we haven't gone through all the ones that we have gotten. So we have a nice little supply. That's one thing I've enjoyed. Apple cinnamon flavored dog nut. Sounds kind of weird to me, but it's a donut. A wholesome dog treat, and you can give the entire treat to giant dogs. Otherwise, they give you like how to share it or how to break it up for smaller dogs. This is cute, and actually we have another toy that kind of looks like this, but it's a Muddy Pig. I like the tone variations. It has a really cute like cinchy tail and crinkle bottom. Really soft material. My dog loves stuffed animals, and she's actually quite gentle with them. I've never seen her like rip one to shreds. She's almost 8 months old now. So this is another large breed. And then there's this chunky chickie. So we have her feed, we might as well have her. My dog loves the squeaker. So this has crinkle, it has squeaker. Again, it's meant for the large dogs. I don't know, does this one have a squeaker? Squeaker in here too. So lots of farm animals on the farm. And then finally we have the snack. So this is Soft Bakes bacon and oatmeal recipes. Again, I know my dog's gonna love them. She loves treats. And then in here you can see there is contact information for BarkBox, a variety of the different toys that you might get. I did pay to have an extra toy in each of my boxes. Having this for 6 months, that means we've gotten 18 toys minimum, and I don't think we need any more. I think this is my last one. Maybe we have one more. But you can see we're obviously not missing anything, but they have the extra small version, a large version. These are the two we got, but these are so cute. Unfortunately, I would have loved to have gotten the Granny Smith apple with the worm that comes out of it. We didn't get that one. They have a cow, and they have the apple core and the apple that's meant for small dogs. A reminder that you can add more to your dog's box next month. Oh, and then you can make a cowbell hat for your dog. I'm not gonna do that. I tried doing one of those activities with my dog and she was not having it. But really cute information and lots of fun in here. So I purchased these for my dog just because we had a new puppy and we didn't have a lot of supplies for her. Now we have a ton of toys after doing 6 months of this. She was constantly growing. We're trying to find different treats that she likes. For instance, I can tell that she really loves salmon because there are salmon snacks that we've gotten in one of these boxes. Knowing that kind of stuff and trying a variety, I'm gonna learn what she likes, and I'm gonna continue to buy her favorites in the future. We're not gonna continue to do the BarkBox every single month just because we don't need more toys yet. Maybe someday in the future when we need more toys, it's just not now. But the cool thing is, if you're interested in trying it, getting a few boxes for your dog or your new puppy, I do have a referral code where you'll earn money towards a future purchase, and then I can use money towards a future purchase. And the cool thing is my purchase could even be just a restock of the snacks that she likes. I don't have to get a mystery box every month. But I have really enjoyed the BarkBox. My dog really likes them when they come, and it's fun to open them and spoil her because I see why people spoil their dogs. They're very grateful, they love you, and they love the items that you spoil them with. If you want to see our first BarkBox when my dog was much smaller, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.